Hey guys, Gookich here, making more videos again, and today guys, we're going to be taking a look at Mother's Power Plastic Headlight Restorer. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, here's the actual product right here. It's a simple product, Mother's Power Plastic. It's definitely for headlights, and apparently it changes this yellow mess into this awesome clear goodness right here without tools and stuff. Okay, it says it, it doesn't use tools or anything like that, and we have the perfect vehicle to test this bad boy out right here. The old bad boy, the Toyota Tundra, guys. Beautiful vehicle when it came out, runs perfectly fine. Extremely beat up right now. It's my friend's. We're gonna be testing this out. You see how both of these headlights are yellow right here? Can kind of see it, and I want it to turn clear like this. These are brand new, relatively brand new, but you can see this is all yellow and stuff. So this is a perfect time to test it out. Let's see what we require for this bad boy of a job. The instructions are really simple. All we're gonna need is some kind of microfiber towel, and I'm gonna use this like kind of foam pad. It's the same thing. This is microfiber right here. It's the same exact deal. It's just it's in a pad form. It's easier for me to hold, easier for me to do this. However, you could just use a normal microfiber towel as says on the back of the instructions. And obviously you're going to need a dry microfiber towel, just to buff out whatever residue is going to be remaining once you actually use this product. Now I don't really have high hopes for this product because a lot of times products like this, they say they're going to make this into clear, and it just probably turns from this color right here to something like that color. So I really don't have high hopes for this, but let's check it out. Let's see how it works. Let's put my camera on a tripod so I can have both hands to test this out. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, hope you can see everything right here. Let's start shaking the actual product up. All right, let's put this bad boy onto the actual, there we go. I'm just gonna put a little bit, not too much for the beginning. You guys already know how I do it. I don't put too much in the beginning. There we go. Like I said, I don't have too much high hopes for this, but that's why I'm here to test it out so you don't have to. Let's just start in this corner right here. And I'm going to go into circular motions like they said, to go into circular motions. All right, I'm just gonna do one little corner right here, and I'll save my reactions for later, even though I am seeing some type of difference happening here, but I'll save my reactions for when I'm done. So let's actually wipe this off with a dry microfiber towel. Okay, there we go. Let's put the towel down. Here's the actual cloth right here. You can see some yellowing on here. Let's put this down. Let's take a closer look at the actual headlight. All right, guys. I couldn't hold my reaction back any longer because you can clearly see that it is clear. You can see straight into there from this angle up here rather than all this cloudiness down here. And all I did was this. So far, it's working pretty well. Let's actually look at you see how the bad, I don't even need to go to the other side to show you how bad, because look at this is still all bad right here. I didn't think it would look that great. Let's continue and start doing this bottom part right here. I might just leave it half to show you half and half. Okay, let's put some more, and there we go. Let's wipe this bad boy off. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, had zero hopes for this product. Night and day different right here. You can see how it's blurry, still has a lot of oxidization, and on this side it's relatively clear. You can kind of turn off this light right here. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. It's blurry on this side, and then when I go right here, it's clear, guys. So far it's working pretty well. Let me do the entire headlight and let me tell you my thoughts on this thing. So far it's pretty good. Alrighty guys, I am done with this side right here. It has taken a lot of the oxidization off. Pretty much removed the layer. That's what it does. It removes like a little small tiny layer of oxidization and gives you this. Now it looks good, okay? It looks much better than look what we started with, guys. This is the before right here. So glad that there are two headlights so you can see the before, and it just looks horrible before, and then here is the after. Absolutely a huge difference, and it does do the job. Now, so in terms of the actual headlight itself, from what I've done with just doing the hand, guys, you're not gonna get completely clear like this, okay? You can kind of see the difference right here. Still has a little yellow tinge, not like this right here, obviously, but still it's not too bad. It still gets the job in the pinch. If you don't have any power tools or anything, this is just by doing with your hand. It's fairly easy to do, guys, and it gets the job done, and it has good results, okay? This is actually pretty decent results right here in my opinion. But however, if you are going for this look right here, you're gonna have to be more aggressive. You're gonna get the drill out. You're gonna need to have a pad on that bad boy for extended period of time with this product. Still, I do believe that it could get on this level right here. You can kind of see a slight yellow tint. Not bad. A lot of people would just be like, you know what, this looks perfectly fine. You can kind of see from far away as well. You can actually see the reflective housing in there, while in this guy right here you really can't see anything. And I bet especially at night when you turn on your lights, this will look so much brighter than this guy right here. So overall, I'm liking this product. It gets the job done. It's not bad of a price. Now let's actually do this side right here and let's see how it looks. I'm going to use the back side of this as well, the clean side. This is the dirty side right here for the new one. And you guys already know it. I'll leave the links in the description below for these products. Look at that. Alrighty guys, not too shabby. Look at that. That's looking so much better. Let's actually take this back right here and show you. Not too bad. Not perfect, okay? Not perfect. You might need a drill to make it perfect, but if you're in a pinch, that took me about 4 minutes or so for each side. So not too bad. And you know what? Why not? Let's actually get these two done as well. And for both of these fog lights right here, we're going to do a snap. So ready? Ooh, look at that. That's looking actually really good. This is nice. This is nice, guys. This is nice. Let's do the snapping for the other side as well. In 3, 2, 1. Ooh, there we have it, guys. Absolutely beautiful. So much better than before. Alrighty guys, overall that is actually looking really well. I keep looking at the camera's lens, the camera screen right there, because it actually looks really nice and it's so much better than before. Now, is it going to be as clear as something like this? These vehicles right here, the Genesis back there, you can see it, and the Highlander right here, they are kept in garages all the time, so they never get yellowing, oxidation from the sun essentially. However, this car, obviously it's kept outside a lot. It's gonna get that oxidization, but it still looks a ton better than it did before using this and just a little bit of elbow grease. Not even much really. It took me, like I said, 4 minutes, but actually speaking, scrubbing it was like 2 minutes or less. And especially the ones down here, the fog lights, like a minute each. So it didn't take me long at all, and I didn't use any tools or anything like that, and it got me results that are fairly decent for the amount of work I actually put into it. So not too shabby. I'm liking this product. It's not perfect, but it will get it done in a pinch. It will get it nice and neat. So I like it. I'm gonna leave in the description below. You guys already know what to do. Make your own judgment. Look at the reviews on this product. And also, I'll put the cloth, the microfiber towels and stuff in the description below, and the pads if you need the pads. You don't require the pads. Don't buy the pads if you don't want the pads, but get them if you want some kind of cushioning while you're actually, wiping it down and stuff like that. It's really nice. But yeah, guys, I'm actually loving the outcome of this, and I know you will love it. There should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure to click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, keep just share saying thanks for watching and peace.